Animations add visual interest to your PowerPoint slides, but many designers don't realize that you can add multiple animations to a single object. In this movie, I will show you how to add multiple animations to an image within a PowerPoint slide, but the technique will work for any other object within PowerPoint. My sample file is 0102 multiple animations, and you can find a link to it in the description below this video. I have a single slide, and on it I have an image of a knight from a chess game. Let's say that I want to have the knight fly in from the left, so not just appear. To make that happen, I can click the knight, which I've already done, then go to the Animations tab, and then in the Animation Gallery, click Fly In. It flew in, but you can see it flew in from the bottom, and we can tell that by looking at the Effect Options button, and there we have an upward pointing arrow. And what you see will change based on the animation you select. To change it so it comes in from the left, I'll click the button, and then I have from left, you see the other options available to you. And there is our preview. And if I do a quick slideshow by going up to the Quick Access toolbar and clicking the Start from Beginning button, then I get multiple animations, which is the slide title, then left click, and the chess knight comes in, click again, and we're out. I can add a second animation by ensuring that the object is selected, and in this case, the knight is selected. And then still on the Animations tab, I can go to the Advanced Animation group and click the Add Animation button. And here I get a full gallery of effects that I can add. I'll just add a simple pulse, and you'll see what that looks like in a second. So I'll click Pulse, and I have animations 1 and 2 assigned to that object. I'll do a quick preview. All right, that looks good. And I'll do a slideshow just to see it in both modes. So there's the title, left click, comes in, click again, and it pulses. I would like to change how this animation runs. So I want the title to appear without any animation, but I want to edit how animations 1 and 2 work. I can work with them more specifically by going to the animation pane. So that's again in the Advanced Animation group, click Animation pane. There I have my two animations. There is the on-click fly in and then on-click emphasis. If I want to work with animation number 1, I can click it so it's selected. You see it's also highlighted here in the body of the slide. And instead of starting on click, I'd like it to run after previous. We'll make the duration 1/2 of a second, and we'll give it a delay of 3/4 of a second, so it doesn't happen immediately. And then I will change the pulse, clicking picture 2. The duration will be 1/2 a second, and let's make the delay, the amount of time we have to wait for it to happen, 1/2 a second as well. Now let's run our slideshow. So I will click from the beginning, multiple animations, there it comes. And I had to click to make it pulse, so I'll click escape, and we're here. So I'll go back and make sure that the one I want to edit is selected. It is. I'll change on click to after previous. There we go. Now I'll run from the beginning. There's the title. And that was a little fast, so I'll click to get out. And, oh, I forgot to change the delay. So let's do the delay of 1/2 a second. And again, this is for the pulse here. And I'll go back up to the Quick Access toolbar. There we go, 1/2 a second, much better. And click twice to get out, and we are back in the slide. I decided to keep the errors that I made when I was making my edits so that you can see the kind of things that go wrong when you work with multiple animations, whether throughout a PowerPoint slide or even with just a single object. So don't get frustrated. Just make sure that you preview everything and everything works exactly the way you want it to. I hope this tip helped. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.